Assalamualaikum and welcome to our presentation regarding the business proposal idea, which is innovation of Swaanbionic. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce our group members. The first one is Nur Amelia Atika, followed by me. My name is Nur Saranisa. Next we have Shazwani Atika, Farah Natasha and Nur Alia Shafika. For the agenda of today's presentation, we are going to focusing on the introductions of Swaanbionic, problem statement, objective, novelty, benefits to the users, benefits to the society and commercialization potential. Without further ado, let's start the presentation. Robotic vacuum cleaner is a cordless device that you can program to do your house chores. In addition, it is simple to store even in a small space, as well as it is useful for cleaning confined spaces that traditional vacuum might not be able to access. However, with the existing benefits, we intended to add more unique features to the robotic vacuum cleaner. Therefore, we developed a Swaanbionic. Swaanbionic name has a specific meaning. Swan is our company's name and bionic means that the product we have produced function as a human in the form of robots to help do different types of house chores. Swaanbionic is combined with the function of cleaning while killing germs, UV sterilization system such as lamps that serve to detect bacteria and at the same time sanitize the entire area to be cleaned. In addition, it also has an air humidifier function that gives moisture to the air to prevent dryness that can cause irritation in many parts of the body. The best part is we create a unique features, which is the vacuum can attach to the wall to clean the wall surfaces. Before we start on the idea to innovate the robotic vacuum cleaner, there must be a problem statement that may arise, which was the reason why we want to innovate the product. So different kinds of cleaning equipment are needed for housekeeping and house cleaning, but purchasing each one separately would be both expensive and time consuming. Additionally, the unique feature that allows Swaanbionic to attach to the wall arises from a problem that customer may encounter when attempting to clean their wall and ceiling surfaces. The user will be under pressure and run a risk in order to complete their task. Many homeowners would require a variety of gadgets or any home cleaning devices or instrument to complete their cleaning tasks. This is a concern because this equipment and tools would cost a lot of money. Not only that, but they would require a lot of storage space to retain this cleaning device while they are not in use. As a result, we feel that combining all of the majority innovation in Swaanbionic will be useful for the consumer. Our customer will be able to save a lot of time cleaning thanks to the creation of our Swaanbionic because everything is automated. In comparison to the traditional cleaning method, it will also need very minimal efforts. Therefore, Swaanbionic will be able to make our customer daily tasks easier and more enjoyable by encouraging them to clean their home. That's all from me. Next, I will pass the presentation to Farah Natasha.
Thank you, Sarah. Next, I will continue with objective. Our objective of innovating Swaanbionic is to create product that can protect household from the viruses that can we see with our eyes, such as virus COVID-19, HFMD, and influenza. Swaanbionic is built in with a combination of disinfectant chemicals such as sanitizer and fragrance sprays. In addition, we have also innovated this vacuum robot to reduce the risk of accidents while doing the house chores. We create the feet of this robot vacuum. We use the concept of dry microfiber under the surface of the robot, which intended to tidy up the top of the house. Compared to the old version, vacuum robot, the creation is more focused on regular cleaning and on the floor part of the house only. That's all from me. Next, I will pass to Amelia Atika. Thank you.
Thank you, Tasha. Now I would like to continue about novelty of Swaanbionic. Okay, first, novelty means what are the difference between Swaanbionic and the existing vacuum cleaner. Swaanbionic is a robo vacuum which has been added with UV light and sterilization, air humidifier, and able to climb on the wall. As for UV light and sterilization, both functions to kill bacteria while the vacuum sucks up the dust. There is a small circle on the surface of the Swaanbionic that will come out and will illuminate the UV light on the floor base surface and play the role of identifying germs, thus killing the germs by spraying sanitizer. As for air humidifier, it is added in the Swaanbionic to deodorize homes' indoor quality. It can remove 99.97% of harmful and unpleasant airborne pollutants, for example, pollen, mold spores, and etc. The best part of the Swaanbionic is the Swaanbionic is able to climb on the wall. With the leg created by the dry microfiber, it will attach to the wall to vacuum and clean part of the wall which at the high areas. We are making 4-piece marketing strategy. First P is for product. Why Swan team creating this product? This vacuum want to fulfill the user's need and satisfying with the multipurpose function which be provided in it. Second P stand for price. How about the price? No worries. Even though Swaanbionic is added by various functions, but we will ensure Swaanbionic's consumer is worth when using it. Another P is place. Where the Swaanbionic will be reached. In ensuring that Swaanbionic reach to the customer, it is the depends on what distribution channel are used and how heavily they are used. Therefore, this product will always available at the appropriate location and at the right time. As for the last P is promotion. How we are making the promotion to attract our customer. We inform and convince customer to purchase Swaanbionic through advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, marketing service, branding, and media affairs. Let me explain further why Swaanbionic is worth using rather than other product. By adding all the cost, raw material, labor cost, and manufacturing overhead costs, we got the cost price per unit equal to 2182 ringgit 42 cents and Swaanbionic selling price per unit plus markup at 15%. Therefore, we decide the price cost per unit Swaanbionic will be 2509 ringgit and 78 cents. Compare with product P, they only have a basic cleaning model with the price range of 2,800 and above, and our product which is consists of various cleaning mode with the price which below 2,600 ringgit. It is very helpful to consumer, especially in this time of pandemic. Okay, that's all from me. I will pass my presentation to Alia.
Thank you to Emilia Atika. Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Alia Shafika. Next, I will present benefit to the user and society. There are 3 benefits to user. First, selection of cleaning mode. Swaanbionic offers an option where users can choose whether to clean, sanitize, or use the air humidifier function by pressing a button according to their choices. Second, notification upon running low of material. Users will be notified when there is running low of any chemicals. Therefore, users can be aware when to refill the materials, and this can prevent the user from always opening the vacuum cover and reduce the effect of looseness on the vacuum head pipe. And the last one is determination of UV light level. We have already maintained the level of UV light which is at minimum level. This is to prevent the change of UV light radiation to a high level because it will spread adverse irritating effects to the user's skin. There are 2 benefits to the society. First, reduce risk. with the idea of functioning as a robot league and helping users lower their risk of injuring while cleaning up the ceiling area or high places in the house. A dry microfiber design was developed underneath the vacuum. And the last one is reduce cost. By combining all the cleaning function, Swaanbionic can help users reduce costs from buying the cleaning device separately, such as gun sanitizer, air humidifier, and so on. That's all from me. I will pass the presentation to Shazwani Atika.
Thank you, Ali Shafika. My name is Shazwani Atika. I will continue the presentation about the commercialization potential. The first is user-friendly. Swaanbionic comes with several functions and modes which are vacuum, mop, sanitizing, and freshener, which can be used all at once. This shows that we can save so much time when using it. Beneficial the most for busy working people and easy to use. Swaanbionic will help those busy people manage their time wisely and reduce their burden. Second is promote ESG. Swaanbionic also emphasizes ESG criteria as a policy which stands for environment, social, and governance. As for the environment criteria, our company aims to prevent air and water pollution. We ensure that the production process of our product does not affect any bad changes to the environment. Besides, Swaanbionic also promotes health and safety towards society. It also can improve the employees' innovation skill that will respectively increase the value of our company in an investor's eyes. Lastly, good governance criteria show our company's direction and business integrity. Good corporate governance helps our companies build trust with investors and the community. Lastly, production efficiency. In producing Swaanbionic, our company makes great use of available resources to meet customer needs and waste it at its lowest point possible. For example, to sustain in the market, our company always standardizes our production process. Besides, our company is also making investment in employee training to enhance our product quality. Therefore, it helps us to meet the customer needs and achieve our target market for each month.
Thank you. That's all about our product innovation. And as for conclusion, robotic vacuum cleaners are the best device in the world. But when it is innovated with some other excellent features, we believe that Swaanbionic will be the most desired vacuum device that can satisfy the consumers. It is a device that is user-friendly and time-saving that allows users to clean the house without any burden, and surely it will be commercialized around the world.